Hey, wakaas odagii gaabnaa amaleelay dadka inuu cuna. Happy aliya ka. Happy aliya wala srifica. Ilna umalaysa. Say hello my people.
Hello.
Yeah.
Who you talking?
I'm talking to all the world.
Are you?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Do you like the
Your friend? Yeah. You.
Yeah, you my friend or what?
It's good.
What's your name anyway?
Con.
Con. His name is a Con. He's a gentleman anyway. Nice to meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, okay.
Where are you from?
I am from the in the sky.
Yeah, don't worry about the sky.
I'm Somalian.
Somali.
Yes.
It's good.
Do you like Somali people?
Why not? Why not?
Do you know them?
We are humans, are we?
Yeah, of course we are human.
Yeah, that's it.
We are nice people anyway. World loves us.
Of course.
Yeah. Anyway, nice to meet you, Con.
Nice to
What's
meet
your name again?
Con.
Con, yeah, nice to meet you. You look good. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the camera 1 second. Yeah, Mr. Con is here. The dherkiisana waa intaa kaliya aad xataa uma dheera. Waa dhis weeyaan siri. Say hello my people.
Say hello to them. Hello to them.
You say hello.
Hello.
Somali people.
Hello, Somali people.
My name is Con.
My name's Con.
You want a Somali girl?
I'm married.
You married?
Yes.
Somali people.
Look, this is my son.
Sorry.
No, no, lying down.
I was sleeping. You can marry in Somali world. We married 4 wives. 4?
That's good.
Yeah. We can give you 2 Somali and 1 now. Which country you from? Which country you from?
Greece.
1 Greece, 2 Somali. How's that? What is the big deal? Anyway.
It's not a big deal.
Anyway, you're old. Anyway, you need to have a good time.
That's it.
Isn't it? Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Bye-bye.
Is that your friend?
Yeah, they're my friend. Is here.
That's good.
Yeah.
Where's your husband?
I haven't got a one.
You're looking for one?
Yeah, I'm looking for one. Can you find me one?
Not at the moment.
Yeah, why not?
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Me, I can find this. Odaygu wuxuu yiri ninku ma heli karo. Oo maxaa dhacay? It's not easy kula maqlayseen Sooma. Waa qosol oo bay igu dilayba. What are you laughing at? What's so funny?
Who, me?
Yeah, you keep laughing. Yeah,
because
see,
I'm a happy person, that's why.
You're a happy person.
That's right. And
Okay.
so are you.
I'm a very happy lady.
You're friendly, that's good.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. What is name your son?
Antonio.
Why Antonio? Why you leave the wife alone at home?
She's working.
Or why you didn't work?
I finished work.
You finish work?
She's working afternoon shift.
Yeah.
I'm working morning shift.
What do you do normally?
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Okay.
It's schools.
Schools, yeah? Okay, no worries, Con. Nice to meet you, yeah? Bye-bye.
You come here often?
No. I don't come here. I get heartbroken. I remember my country when I come here. We got the best beach in the world in Somalia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We have a long beach.
Kenya?
No, I'm not a Kenyan.
No. That's far away, isn't it?
It's East Africa, not far away. We have a border we share.
No.
Yeah. We are Somalian. We are very special people.
Why not?
Very special people.
I've got nothing against them.
No. Even if you're against, who cares?
There's people everywhere, the same everywhere, in every country, you know.
We don't worry.
You have bad people and good people.
Yeah, of course. All the world have bad people and good people.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be like
Like
that.
your 5 fingers.
Shouldn't be like that anyway.
Yeah, like your 5 fingers. One taller, one shorter, one this, one bigger. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I don't care who against me. As long as I'm alive, I'm a good. I'm having good time.
Nobody's against you. Nobody's against you.
Yeah, I'm talking about my people.
You don't believe that, you know?
I don't believe it.
Okay, good.
I don't believe it.
Nobody's against you.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
All right, nice to meet you anyway. Yes, all right. Waan ka helaa walla waa iga wacade ila wade wixii aan ka rabo wiil yahow adigaan kugu waashay warsanka ma hele waan ka helaa walla waa iga wacade ila wade wixii aan ka rabo. Hi, where are they? That 2 lady. Hello. Hi. I shouldn't put the camera for you guys. Only myself. I'm looking myself. Yeah. They left me, I think. Hi, sahib yal de naagi soo waday. وأيقا تجينا ملاينا يا كود هيا إن شاء الله واسمق لنا وأوجده بدأ حتى بحلي يا حي بدأ صومتي ريد سيارك حتى ترقى كدارتان لا والله نيرفس أنا guys I love you يو Somali ما أنتوا حين كبد الماركن شارك إيجو قبض بالحبضان حبضان بالشارك كو قبضة واو يس بدأ يا ما تشكدوا بدويان يا I love you I know a lot of people love it I can see that وهذا نجعلها هذا كان سايج عشنا وجعلها share darling share darling share darling share ما يفهمتين دعني ماشي اسمه كينين والله كينه قبليه كينه أنا حوم علينا إني قلت لك دونانه صاحب يالو مس إلى لامي قاعد سلطقنا إلى لامي قاعد سرعينا ده قصر كبدنا سكدا يبالك إيشير قرينه share darling share and like it please share and like it please anyway I'm gonna go so إلى لامي قاعد سلطقنا yeah that's what I used to do in my country I'm Somalian yeah so aniga badda ma gelin lugaha lay ku soo qabowsaday marka hadda waa kana waa sii socdaa insha Allah waa is arki doonaa waa is maqli doonaa de islaamiyi kaligood rabaan meeshaas fish iyo chips inay intay cunaan ana ay gooyaan de maana doqon oo ayagaaba soo waday waa ka soo gaaraya oo ku qabanaya fish iyo chips ayagoo dhex fadhiya baan idin geynaya ceebti ka dhici doonta maanta fiirsada tii dheerayda ka dhacayso wali soo afduubay wali goynooya ya maaragteen يا شركة يقبطة يا ماشي أنا واكنا توس ماشي بدل لقى جلايو يا أنا قصيت ضد كان أنا قو كلامها بهالعاجة وكارب العمل والسمايستين يا واكاسا أنا ماشي عيد الأشاق عدي جري بولي عيد وعيدي واتاسا كارب كن واكا كارب معهن وبهال أو شبق لكن معان عجهنا قرون وامي فهمتين لكن لامي الله ملا لامي نماهن مو فهمتين مركا صاحب يال ده أدبا ومحسنتين كاميرا دي باب إيسو جنسن لا هذا هدي ما يقول مسو جنسن هذا إيسو جنسن مركور ما يدين شجع مركا هذا إسلامي وحدين جينا هيا فيش يجيبس دالبادين فيش يجيبس وأنا يسوقين أيضا يسوودين ما فهمتين so هذا إذن جينا يا سوق تنقول عدون تعال يا بنا ده نشر جرين على شيء تنقول يا الشر يوقف الشر يا بدهم يدين كل عليا هالمراكلات يا hello hi yeah I'm looking somebody have a lighter all day I couldn't find the guys can I use your lighter hey girls what happened
she's still
oh you can't even say let's go what the hell
7 is smart
yeah wait hey I am live Facebook 700 people watching do you want to say hello my people
where you from
I'm from Somali. You see how many people watching?
hello how are
yeah,
you
but I put you in the camera. Say hello, my people.
hello
We
How
are from
you all?
Somalia.
how are you
God
Yeah.
bless
from Somalia
peace
how are you
God bless.
Good, guys. I love you. I love Australia. God bless Australia. Australia is the best country ever in the world. You know. God bless you, Australia.
Second best.
Love you.
we are blessed
Now it's the best. No one.
second best
No, it's
ask me which is the best
anywhere.
I haven't seen it yet
Yes, it's the best of the best. Australia, no one in best.
No.
I love their food. I love their tradition. I love everything. Yeah.
you know why
Yes.
because the multicultural people that came here
Yes.
have
made it like this
Yes.
when my dad came here
Yeah.
nothing was Australia nothing
Say hello. Yeah, I'm taking. Say hello, my people.
hello
please.
my people
What's
How
your
are you?
name?
Benny my name is Benny
Yes. Benny want to say to you, Somali people, hello. How about you?
Tony.
Tony want to say to you, hello. Hi, beautiful. The lady always beautiful. I like red. Anyway, I like your dress.
Thank you. I love yours.
Yeah? Thank you, thank you. saaxiibayaal war midii sheegaa gabdhihii aan u malaynaya inay cunto soo doonteen baabuurkaaba lagu dhex jiraa waa kuwaasa ma aragtaan yaa dayobadee yaa bay igu dileen wallah yaa lugaha le badda la soo gelgeliya ka waran badda le buruq lugaha ma la soo dabaalan xataa yaa qaadkayga leebal ii dhaafi maahane yaa qaadkayga leebal ii dhaafi maahane ma wala dabaalan xataa wallah kan kuwa soo dhahay maxaa war maxaa siidanka bismillah war maanta waa shidanay saaxiibayaalo sigaarkana waa igu taqaaneena dhibka iga dhaafa wallahi xaraarad say ii haysi waa waalanta oraa Australia clean waa badda agteeda xataa ma aragtay sigaar in lagu cabo lama ogola
I'm not stressed. It's not me for one.
على كل حال شركة يجوا قبضنوا yeah who is upset
Nah, no one's upset.
yeah okay I like this I like the building what is it and the marine belongs to marine yeah
Life saving.
yeah life saving but I don't see any life saving they're not there today
They were here. They were here.
yeah because we come late
After a certain time, they finish.
yeah
Because it's voluntary.
yeah